Of our discussions on array, let's continue further into this. Here we will see two varieties of iterators which operates on an array. So earlier we have seen a for loop with for let I equal to 0, I less than the condition, and I plus plus, right? Here I less than x dot length. See, x is an array, number array. Just saying array doesn't make sense, right? So you have to say either it's a number array or a string array or a boolean array or anything. So it should have a specific type of data. So array stores similar data data type with multiple values into single variable. Here we have declared x as a number array, see number, and then there is a square bracket at the side of that. So that shows it is x is a array of numbers. I store numbers into this, right? So we store 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 numbers, right? So x dot length give you, which we discussed in our earlier videos, is 5, right? X dot length is 5. So we are running a loop to print all these values from 1 to 76 using console.log and using for loop. So how we write this for loop? Let I is equal to 0, I less than x dot length and I plus plus and console.log. So and x of I. So x square brackets I is x of I. I is index. So in the first loop I becomes 0, second loop 1, 2, 3. Like that it will print till it get all the numbers in the x. So we see a more efficient, more clean way of writing for which Typescript provide you is this. For let value of x. You don't need to run a condition, increment, and then condition check. Whatever the numbers we have, it will print value of x. See that of is in a blue color, is a keyword. Value of x. Val. Val is a variable. You can declare any variable, which here we take val, and then you can print that value. So it gives you the value inside the x one after other. First 1, 3, 59, like that. Let's see print. Let's see. It printed, right? So it printed 2 times because this for loop prints once, this for loop prints once. So we have 1, 3, 76 and 1, 3 again 76 like this. So it has printed twice. Now we have another variants of for. Here the value for of off gives you the values. Sometimes we may need to print the index I, right? Only I. We could require index and then based on that we do some logic. So here we see another variant of for is this in. For let index in x. Index is now it's not the value of x. It's not 1. Is it 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 like that, right? Let index in x. So it printed index and then the value in the index of x, right? At index of x of index, right? That means it gives you 0th location of x, first location of x, second location of x, like that. As loop continues, it keep printing those things. Now, just to keep it clean, let me comment this code and then we run this program. So we compiling and then run. So now you see the white and yellow colors. Here 0th is the index. At value of at 0th location is 1, right? And next first index 1, index 1, and value at index 1 is 3, like that. 0, 1, 2, 3. So index is different from values in an array, right? Like that it printed second location 59, third location 54, fourth location 76. Like that it prints. So it is more easier and compact way of writing the code for printing this value. So here why it is printed yellow color values is x of index. Here also we wrote x of I. The code is same. If you observe this and this, it is same, right? Here I, we are incrementing manually and checking the condition to the length, and then we are breaking the loop. Here it will take care of it automatically, this scenario. Hope you understand this. Now you take another variables for string variables, array of strings, array of booleans, and then try to print values in a similar fashion, all the strings values, and see how it works.